Today, I'm taking on a challenge I've never really done before, solving a Rubik's Cube with just one hand. No practice, no tricks, just pure determination. Let's see how this goes. Alright. Oh. Expect a bit. Okay. Let's go. I forgot I had inspection on, so yeah. Oh. I messed up. I have to do it again. No! That is so sad. I didn't know I had inspection on. But that's okay. Let's do it again. Alright, so click it here. Okay. I can't see nothing, to be honest. Let's go. I'm gonna be honest, I've done this a couple times already, but I've only done it once, like times. And the rest I've just done like without a clock or anything. But I do have a little bit of prior experience with this. I'm gonna speed up the video because it's probably gonna take like 16 billion years for me to solve the cube. Please don't critique me in the comments. I know my turning with one hand isn't the best, but yeah. I think I'm almost done with F2O over here. Yes, I'm almost done. I just need 2 more pairs. With one hand, like faster. Most people can solve it with 2 hands. That's just crazy. Bruh. It's not going too bad. I feel like I'm gonna mess up, so I'm not gonna do that out. I'm gonna force another oil. Alright. Oh. Okay. Come on. Sub 2 seconds, bro. I can't talk. Yo. Yes! Sub 2 minutes. Let's go. It went good and bad at the same time, but I can't complain. And yeah, that was so challenging, but so fun. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you want. I really don't care.
I live with roaches, about 10 of them. We now close friends, couldn't get rid of them. Let me see your feet, I'ma tickle them. I'm eating red meat, sprinkled with cinnamon. I don't wear Timberlands, got the new rubber duckies, I be